Punta kami ng town, walk lang kami. Tad kami ng playgroup kasi kailangan ko return ng book ni Raiden. Pero kailangan ko siyang hiramin ulit kasi gusto ni Raiden yung book na yun, yung isang book na lagi kong nire-read sa kanya before sleep. So walk lang kami. Mga siguro 15 minutes na rin kami nag-walk from house. Another 15 minutes. Kasi nasaan siya? Half an hour walk. Yeah, he's here.
Hey, Mommy. How are you? Look, Raiden wants to say hello.
Hi.
Ooh, chicky, 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 chicky,
Mommy.
chicky.
Look at his sunglasses. Ang kulit ng anak ko. Yun naman pagkalagay niya. Siya naglagay niyan, sunglasses.
It's a traffic light.
Yes, I'm here. I'm here.
Oh la la, you're gonna sing in the mood.
Dito na kami sa town, loves. Meron pa kami few minutes left. Malapit na kami, siguro mga 10 minutes walk na lang. At 5 minutes, mga ganun. Loves, dito kami sa Chicken It's My Choice. Yun yung pangalan ng nila. Para siyang Jollibee style. Nakakatawa. Tingnan nyo. Parang ginaya niya yung Jollibee. Nakakatawa. Nakakain na kami dito once. Kasama ko yung friend ko. Pangalawa na to. Pero that was maybe 3 months ago. Or even more. I don't know. I don't remember. Yeah.
Sure.
Are you excited to eat? It's like a Jollibee style.
Sure.
Yes, Daddy?
Sure. Sure.
It's a very spicy burger.
How's the burger?
It's very spicy.
Very spicy. Because you choose spicy. Pinili niya kasi spicy. Ito hindi spicy. How are you, mister? Uh-oh. Hot? Oh no, you have to be careful. You have to blow it. Kain tayo, loves. Kain tayo. Raiden, come on. Come. Come here. Tapos na kami kumain, loves. Peekaboo! Raiden, peekaboo! Yeah. Hi loves, bahay na kami. Hindi pala kami natuloy dun sa playgroup kasi close, bank holiday. So umuwi na lang kami after namin mag-lunch doon sa labas, and then now ni-ready ko yung swimming pool kasi mag-swimming ulit kami. Sobrang ang init. So ready na ang aking baby boy. Baby boy, show to them your outfit. Come on. Show to them your outfit. Show to them your outfit. Wow, look at that. Look at the outfit. Look at the outfit.
Huh? Mia.
So yun, nakapaglagay na kami ng ano, sunblock. Sunblock. Oh, wait a second. Come here. Come here, Daddy. Come on.
No, I need to rest.
Come on, Daddy.
Too much sun for me.
Not much. You are white.
Yes, that's why I cannot be like you.
Uh-oh.
Ooh la la. Ooh la la. What? Tomorrow you're gonna go to swimming pool. So you better get used to it.
Here. Oh, bubbles. Splish, splash in the water. Vicky!
Rainy?
What's ready?
Oh la la.
Come here.
What's that?
Gun.
Doggy.
Gun.
Come here. Come.
Oh, I don't know. Not very high.
Hi loves, good afternoon. Ayaw ni Raiden matulog.
Okay, you ready?
May times na natutulog siya, may times na hindi. Super active niya, lalo ngayong summer season. Gusto niya maglaro na maglaro. Ang init ngayon loves, 33 degree, 32, 33 degree, parang Pilipinas feel. Kumakain ako ng nuts, loves. Kain tayo.
Okay.
Papatulogin ko na lang yan siya na maaga.
Okay, that's enough. Come on, let's play them something different now. Uh-oh.